So you want to know how to do split screen on your Mac. So you want to know how to do split screen on your Mac. Big Sur has some things built in, and it's pretty simple and it's pretty simplistic as well, that what you can do with it. So I'm going to come up here. I have this Safari window active, and this works on any application and not just browser windows, but I can tile it to the left or I can tile it to the right. So I'm going to select it, shove it to the right, then it's going to ask me to pick an application for the other one. So I'm going to pick this one here, and so now I have two Safari windows, and I can adjust as well by grabbing this center pane. Now the one thing to remember is when you close out one of these apps, it's in full screen mode, so I can hit Control and the arrow keys to move from screen to screen, but that's what's free and comes default into the Mac OS. But I want to tell you real quickly about one app that's in the App Store. It's called Magnet. I'll put a link in the description below, and what Magnet will do is allow you to pretty much put and tile windows any way you want. I've got a window selected here, and this tile, as you can see, there are many different ways I can do that. If I just bring it up, it's going to maximize it. It does not go into full screen mode, but it does maximize it, and the moment I drag back, it remembers the state of the window. And the easy thing is, if I want to tile it to the right, I can do that. I can pick this one up and tile it to the left, and now I'm going to have to eliminate the screenshot. But when I tile it to the left, I can pick up another app that tiles. I guess the settings app doesn't tile. And pick up another app and tile it to the left. Now what I can also do with this is say I want to run 4, so I want this one in the top left, I want this one in the top right, and then I've got that open here, and I can drag it down here to the bottom right, and then I can open a new one and I can put it over here in the bottom right. So now I can do that, but as you can see with Magnet, you can tile many different directions. You can even set up keyboard and as well as preferences of what you would like it to do. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tips. Thank you.